require the session, if I'll not require the session, please remind me, okay? So that I will not miss each classes. If I'll miss any of the classes, then it will be difficult to track it. So if I will not record the session, just in the starting only, you inform me or remind me. Okay, so these are the topics we are going to cover. Data warehouse concept, SQL concept, Informatica tool, HPLM, basic Unix command, basic manual testing concept, agile methodology. Agile methodology is a methodology what they are following the process to develop a software, to test a software. It's a very efficient way. There are some key terms are there in agile methodology. I will explain you what are that, and that is more than sufficient. Lifelong you can use that. People do certification in agile. I don't know what certification they do. I have 4 5 page of topics in agile methodology. That is more than sufficient. I don't know what people are doing certification in agile methodology. Why they need that much of explanation? Only 4 5 page what I have, I will share with you. That is more than sufficient for the interview. Then I will explain you the project, real-time project. I'll explain you. One or two, I will explain you. One or two, I will explain you. Okay. So, so that you will be able to tell in project. If in the interview, definitely they are asking, what is the project? Can you please explain me the project architecture? Same way you have to explain the project architecture. Okay. So, important interview question and answer I will share you. For Oracle SQL, I have just 200 questions in a sheet that I will share with you, and you just do practice. It's very nice. Okay. Then preparing resume, I will help you. Job assistance. If I will come across with any opening, I will tell you guys to forward your CV or resume. You people can forward me, and then you will get job. So I'm just receiving many messages or many places. I'll see the opening. If in my company also, if I'll find any opening either on my previous company, my colleague and all, they keep referring. So I will just provide you the job assistance from there. Okay. So next topic is like data warehouse concept. Okay, so from the first topic itself, what are the main topic? I'm just going to cover data warehouse. So we'll see the architecture of data warehouse, very important topic. Okay, so complete working method I will explain you, and we'll go through the definition why what is data warehouse, why we need data warehouse, the types of database. Okay, so we will be working mainly on database. I will help you to how to install the database. Okay, and same thing, same practice you have to do in database. So just focus my instruction. Just follow my instruction. Just follow my instruction. Okay, definitely you will be in a IT company. In another 2 months, you will be in a IT company, and that time you will thank me that, sir, because of your motivation, because of your guidance, I'm in IT company. Okay, so just give me your 1 month of time. Everything depends on this next month, 1 month. Okay, so what is ETL? We'll see overview of ETL operation. Then we'll see OLTP, OLEP. These are all topic will be new for everyone. Even though when I learned that time, I was just confused. What is OLTP? What is OLEP? Or what is this all data mart ETL operation? But trust me, guys, once we'll complete the overall topics, then you will have the basic knowledge of data warehouse. And when you will start working of things in a company, you can able to relate this things. So these are all theoretical part. Okay, these are all theoretical part. We don't need any coding or any things in that. You have to just remember the definition of what is data modeling technique, what is star schema, snowflake schema. So, and difference between data mart and data warehouse. These are the things you have to remember the definitions. So, what is dimension and dimension table and its type? We'll see very important question. What is fact and fact table and its type? It's all database related terms, guys. Okay, so don't confuse dimension and fact and all these things. If you have not heard before, don't worry. I will explain you such a way that it will be clear to you. And if you will not understand in one time, two times, ask me again and again. You will have a recording session, you listen it, and make sure that once we'll complete all these topic, 20 topics, you should have the knowledge of data warehouse topic, so that in further we'll be able to focus on SQL majorly. Okay, so once you will complete here all this topic, you will learn all this topic, then we will be able to focus on this SQL topics. So how much you will give effort here, SQL thing, it that much benefit it will give you for lifelong. When you will be working in a project also, when you will be working in a project also, this is very, very important. SQL. If you are very good in SQL, lifelong, no one will hold your hand that you are not working or you are not able to deliver. Okay, if you are good in SQL, no one will blame you that you are not able to do work. And trust me, guys, you will be a hero or you will be a rock star in a project if you are very good in SQL. Okay, so just trust me, this SQL is the everything in ETL testing. Okay, so if you will be good in SQL also in project, you are working as a ETL tester. If a manager will see that you are good in SQL, they will pull you into development phase also, or development of the software also. Okay, so benefit of SQL is lot. Okay, it will not harm you. It's very interesting things. How much you want to play it with SQL. I will not stop you. Okay, so the in SQL, what are the topics I'm just going to cover? Uh, Everything basics to complex. I will provide you if you'll see here, all topics are there, and how I'm just going to cover the all topics. I will show you one thing. Okay, so if I'll consider DDL command. Okay, so DDL command, I will provide you these notes. Okay, I'll provide you these notes as well, like this. In this format, I will provide you notes, and the recording will be also there, and some interview question also will be there, and the whatever the things we are going to discuss in a like query part, in the sense, if you'll see, like will on the based on DDL command, I will show you how to do all these actions. Okay, and in the class, I will share you the this document also, so that you will not get stuck. If you are doing first time, you can take help from this and you can execute your query in a SQL. So complete set I will provide you, like definition also, and the SQL script also, recording also there. But my expectation is that once we'll finish the class, you sit for 2, 3 hours, 4 hours, and do practice how much you want. You will be able to do it. Just don't leave it as simply. Okay, so today will not do, tomorrow will do. If you will do like that, tomorrow again it will be for 2 classes, and it will be difficult for you to complete it. Okay, so in SQL, what we will see, introduction to SQL, working with DDL command, we'll see data retrieval technique, we'll see. These are the, if anyone know SQL, they will be familiar with what is DDL, what are the data retrieval technique, working with DML, TCL, and like data control language. Then we'll see general function. This is interview perspective, very important. I will show you generally in weekend class, I takes 2 classes to complete this. Okay, so for you, I guess 5, 6 classes it will take to complete general function. Okay, so that much depth level, I'm just going to cover general function, because for the interview, this is very important. You will have a 50% question from this. Okay, so 50% question from functions only. So I'm just requesting you people to work on this more and more. Okay, you will love or you will like to working with SQL. Okay, so case conversion function, character function, this all comes in functions only. So next one is like number function, string or number conversion function, analytical function. This is important. Okay, this is also important with respect to interview perspective. Data aggregation, you will have this is very much important for the working wise when you will be working in any of the company project. So this is very important. You will get many things for the aggregate functions, whatever sum, count, mean, max, average, all these things are aggregate functions, and you will be throughout you will be working on a project. widely. Okay, so each and every topic are important. Whatever the topics I'm just taking, don't think that it's not important. Integrity constraint, we'll see what are the constraints are there. We'll work together, but we need only definition level constraint. But I will show you that table level how to apply all these things, because constraint and all are developers things who will create the table. Okay, they will assign the constraint to the table. So, but we'll see what are the constraints are there in depth only. We'll see, so that you will have basic idea for long term. Okay, so then table joins, we'll see. This is very important again. When you will be working in a company, or you will be attending interview, this is all important. And one more thing, guys, I just forgot to mention you. Now, whatever the things you are going to learn, or now you are going to learn, so all these topics, all this data warehouse concept, after 2 years also, you can refer the same document, and you will be able to crack the interview. The way I have explained, you will not have problem after 2 years also. You can refer the same topic and same method, and you will get selected. That time also you will be able to crack the interview. So don't think of it. Just do properly. Okay. So next one, like set operator of these are all important questions. Subqueries, what is views, how to create backup table, case statement, very important for the working wise or interview perspective. So why I'm taking so much time to explain you guys this all topics, because I don't want to be, when I will say after 5 days I will start some topic. If I start after 5 days Oracle school, so I should not be in you should not be in a dilemma that, oh, what is this topic, sir did not tell. So these are the topics I'm giving you overview, so that you will be familiar that what is, okay, sir already told me case statement, let's learn the case statement. So, okay, so basic overview. Okay, so if you'll be knowing before only what are the topics we are going to learn, it will be easy to grab it. Okay, it will be easy to grab the things. So that's what in Informatica tool. Next one is like Informatica tool. General definition of Informatica tool, you can say that in ETL testing, it is the intermediate tool where we will be using this tool to load source table data to target table data. Okay, so we are going to load source table data to target tables. Okay, so this is what we have. Okay, so Informatica tool will see ETL testing scope only. Definition wise, we'll see what is Informatica tool, and okay, what are the Informatica components, Informatica repository manager, what is Informatica Power Center designer, Informatica Power workflow manager. All these things we'll see. Okay, just a second. Mm, 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 mm. 1 minute, guys. Okay. Okay, so sorry about that. 1 minute I've taken time I've taken. Okay, so these are the topics what we are going to cover. In Informatica tool again, we'll see what is the Power Center designer. This is developers things, but I will show you overview of it, so that in future you will not get confused. If you will get any opportunity to work as a developer, you can refer again same concept wise you can go through. Okay, so workflow manager will see this is the testers portal. You have to run the workflow from here, workflow manager, and you have to monitor through the workflow monitor window. Okay, so whatever the scope for ETL tester will work on that, and will make sure that you will be able to answer all questions from the interview for the Informatica tool. Workflows, we'll see workflows, session mapping, and different types of job status. In Informatica, again, we'll see different types of transformation. Based on this transformation, developer will develop the mapping, and we will be able to run the workflow manager task. Okay, so these are aggregator, transformation, filter, router, expression, joiner, lookup. All these things we'll see in Informatica tool. Okay, and I will provide you the notes. Okay, and how we are going to validate in source and target using aggregator, transformation, filter, transformation. All these things I will show you one by one. So, and most important things, what is log file in Informatica. So that also I will show you. All these things are source to target validation based on if I run aggregate transformation workflow, then how we are going to validate source and target validations. All these things will show you, and how you are going to do in ETL like real time. Okay, in your project, that also I will show you in Informatica. Most of the things will be clear. Most of the things will be clear. So that's what, like source and target validation is the very major thing when you will be in a project. So testing a scope in Informatica tool, active and passive transformation, I will just explain you. So these are the manual testing topics are required for the interview. So if you will consider manual testing, learning manual testing itself, it will take you approximately 1 month or 2 months time. But we will cover some few topics where you will be able to relate the things. Okay, so whatever the thing manual testing topics, major topics are required to for the ETL testing, we will learn it. So software development life cycle, what is requirement traceability metric, software test life cycle, sanity and smoke testing, regression testing, test strategy, test plan design, test case design, defect tracking, defect life cycle, okay, severity and priority, test closure report, test summary report. These are all very important topics, guys. Don't skip all these things. Okay, so and this class also important because you will be knowing, you are going to learn that what are the things we are going to learn, and okay, so what are the topics we are going to learn. So it's not like I'm just giving you overview of that, and later also you can just listen it. But this is the overview of it, how we are going to proceed further. Okay, so then very important, agile methodology. The people will ask you a question from agile methodology, the different meeting in agile methodology, who is scrum master and its role, who is product owner and its role. Guys, can you please all do me a favor? Can you all drop me a mail ID? I am just not able to track who else is joined, so that in end of the class I will share you the recording, and then the this document as well, so that you can refer in the future. Okay, just drop me a mail in a chat section. You can go like this, and just drop me your mail ID here. Okay, so that I will be able to share you this all files, and okay, so someone, yeah, okay, yes, one ping me, other person please support me, please ping me. Okay, I'll give you a 2 minute time. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, guys. So thank you all for dropping your mail ID. I will forward you the document. I will keep in track. Okay. So these are all manual testing concept. What we saw. We'll discuss what is the like. These are all agile methodology topics. Don't worry. We'll take it. Initial and incremental load and project explanation. Discussion on ETL testing, interview question, HPLM, all these things. And in the last, the thing what is there, resume preparation and your job portal. The major important things, your resume preparation. Okay, so resume preparation, your resume preparation. Okay, and how to upload into a Naukri profile or a other job portal. Okay, and if any keyword is missing, I will look personally. I will take your user ID and password, and I will look personally, and I will help you to get jobs. Okay, so you have to available for the interviews and all, and you have to keep practicing. So these are all topics I'm just going to cover in a ETL testing, and some of the basic topic for Python I will just cover. It's not important, it's not important, but the thing is that what I come across with my profile when I was attending interview. Okay, if I will mention, if I have just mentioned I have basic knowledge of Python and I have basic knowledge on automation, people impress, like they will shortlist my resume very fast. If I assume suppose 10 resume are there in a company. Okay, 10 resume they have for the ETL testing profile. Okay, so they have collected from the online portal, and out of 10, they have to shortlist five profile or four profile. So if you will mention with ETL testing and or Python topics, Python basic knowledge of Python and automation, then your weightage of the resume will be more. So out of that, they will choose your profile first. Okay, apart from ETL testing, he is having other skills too, so he will select you also. Okay, nowadays Python is running fine. So that's what my suggestion. Just we don't need, like, they will not ask you question from this Python, because who will be working on ETL testing, they will only take your interview. So these are the things I will just give you overview. One or two classes only it will take, and we'll see. But the thing is that why we need ETL testing? Why we need ETL testing? There are so many other skills also. You have cloud technology, you have Java automation, you have Python automation. Full time you can learn Java automation, Python automation. But why we need ETL testing only? What is the reason behind ETL testing first? When you will not have IT job, why we need ETL testing to entry into IT? Uh, so anyone can guess why we need ETL testing only to for like initial stage? Okay, so I will only explain. So ETL testing, if you see the concept, it's very easy topics. Learning ETL testing is easy. Okay, compared to other technology, learning ETL testing is easy. And nowadays we have huge data. So every company they will go for ETL project. Okay, so data warehouse project, ETL project they will go. So when it will be developed, we need testers to test it. So because each and every company they have a their own data warehouse. So for that they need testers to test the software. So that's why we need ETL testing. Why we need ETL testing? Because you learn, if you learn ETL testing, you will get job easily in market. Learning ETL testing is easy. It will take less time, and interview also you will be able to crack interview faster. It's not like easy one, it's not like slow. Okay, you will be able to crack interview faster. You will be able to relate things if you learn ETL testing. If you'll go for other technologies, say you are going to learn automation, Java automation, what will happen if you'll inquire anywhere? First of all, Java is very old technology and it's very vast. There are lots of interview questions, lots of things are available in online Google. For Java, it's like ocean. They can ask you question from anywhere. Okay, And learning Java automation will take you 6 months of time, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months of time. Okay. And after that also you have to put lots of effort to learn Java automation, something like that. Some of the people, out of 10 people, only 1 or 2 people, they will be able to get job in Java automation, because it's time consuming. In middle, only after 6 months, only people will be bored. Oh, I don't want it. I invested so much time. I've seen in my real time experience. Okay. Learning Selenium and cracking interview in first time is so difficult. If you want to learn it, anything like cloud, DevOps, or Java automation, Python automation, first enter into IT company using ETL testing. You can update yourself when you will be in a company. Say you got selected in TCS or Infosys or Tech Mahindra. Okay, then you start working on this. 6 months you do work properly in this, learn the things in a project wise. Then you want to switch to other technology, data science, or machine learning, or artificial intelligence, DevOps, cloud part, data automation, Java automation, Python automation. You can switch easily, but you need first job in an IT company. For that, we need ETL testing support. Okay, so this is the only one option, easy option, okay, valid option, and faster option we have to enter into company. You will have lots of opening for ETL testing, okay, because we have lots of data in market. So to validate those data, they need ETL tester. So ETL testing job is used. Learn it in 1 month only. If you will put effort day by day, you will get in 1 month only your offer letter. So I hope I'm clear. Any question, guys? If you are now the questions are open, just ask me your question. If any questions is there, let me know. I will not sharing my screen or what? Okay, you people are able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Jayant.
Okay. So this is the, yeah. Okay. Ask
Okay.
me the question.
Okay. What do you mean ETL?
ETL is like extract, transform, and load. ETL means the full
Oh,
form of ETL is extract, transform, and
okay.
load. Means what? How it will work? ETL like extract from the source. Okay. Transform into the middle layer will be there. Transform the data. Okay, and
Okay.
load into your target. Load
Okay.
into your
Okay.
target. So this is the meaning. ETL means extract from the source. Okay, transform and load into target table. So this is the
Okay.
ETL target.
Uh, level 3, level 2 companies are using ETL testing.
All companies are using ETL testing. If you will see in my 10 years of experience, level 4, level 5, level 1, level 2, level 3.
Okay.
If you take one example of IBM company, okay, they will
Okay.
have 100 projects of ETL testing. Believe
Okay.
me, I
Okay.
will not lie you. Okay, so I'm just also working as a ETL tester. I worked in IBM, and believe me, they will have 100 projects for ETL testing. If you will take any banking domain you take, any retail company you take, any insurance company you take, any other you take, they have to store their data. You take Big Bazaar, okay, you take Myntra, you take Flipkart, Amazon, others online portal, or any bank, HDFC, Citibank, ICIC, SBI, all bank you take all over India, you will have approximately 30-40 bank. So all they need ETL testers. Apart from that, worldwide, think how many bank will be there.
Any Jira tool used? Can you?
Jira tool is free available. Okay, freely available in online portal. If you want, I will make a video of it, or I will make a notes of it.
Okay.
But when you will in a company, no, you will not face any problem in Jira. It's very easy to operate.
Okay.
Okay.
If I found bug any, how to report to my TL or manager?
I will tell
Uh,
you all these things. I will tell you all these things in HPLM, how to raise defect and
okay, okay,
how to assign it to developer and
okay.
how you are going to send mail. Everything I will tell you once I will receive the defect. Okay, I will tell
Okay.
you that like this you have to draft mail.
Uh,
You have to put CC your manager. You have to
it
assign the defect to
it is only focus on DB database testing.
this is the ETL tool using Informatica tool. Okay, so database we will be using to validate the our source table and target table. So if you
Okay.
want to see the
Uh,
how it looks like database, I will show you. Okay, and Informatica tool also I've just opened it. If you can see my screen, this is the Informatica tool. Hope everyone aware of it. But if you are not aware of it, I'm just giving you overview. Okay.
sir,
Uh,
it is freeware or
which one?
license? Informatica tool, sir.
See, in
Uh,
Informatica tool, what I come across, it's very complex tool. You will be
uh,
able to
uh,
install it, but
uh,
like if when you go for free version, it will be difficult to install it. Okay, so
okay,
so
okay.
many things are there, mapping and all, everything you have to learn for the development thing. So as a ETL tester, I learned to create mapping and all. I
Uh,
learned to create mapping, and it took me 2 months of time. Okay, so it's not easy task. Okay, but
okay,
I
sir. How to
but
practice demo or
sorry.
you are using license version,
Which one? Which one?
uh, Oracle Informatica
Oracle
tool. Uh,
Informatica tool for the
uh,
ETL testing.
uh,
Whatever is required, I will
uh,
tell you that. Believe me, we
mm,
don't have much scope in Informatica tool.
okay, okay.
Developers, they will be working majorly in that. We
Uh,
have. If I'll explain you in 5 minutes, I will explain you the. I will explain you whatever the things are required for the ETL testing in Informatica tool. So you don't need much.
uh,
If you want, I can explain you again and again, but we don't need much things into Informatica. Okay. Someone Vivo, who is Vivo 1718?
Movie.
Sorry.
Movie.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
So without knowing of any basic knowledge of manual testing like that, we can also do ETL testing.
See, that's what whatever the things I'm just going to cover in manual testing, that is more than sufficient. Okay, that is more than sufficient to know for the ETL testing. So ETL, if you will be going to learn manual testing, it will take your most of the time, like 1 month of time. Can you just ping me your name, Vivo1718? I just didn't get your
Upashira.
name. Okay, just
Upashira.
text me. Okay, so manual testing, whatever the topics we are going to cover, that is more than sufficient for ETL testing for the interview perspective. Okay, so don't think that we need much in this. Okay, so if you know manual testing more, that is well and good, but if you know this much only, that is fine. And any other question, guys?
sir, before ETL testing, any free request? Okay.
Prerequisite is okay, you
Yeah,
should have
yeah.
laptop.
What, sir?
You should have laptop.
Yeah.
Prerequisites before ETL testing, you
Okay.
should have laptop, so
Any?
that I will help you to install this
Mm,
SQL software for
uh,
your practice. Other than that, nothing you need.
okay,
Okay,
thank
everything I'm just going to cover, and I will make sure that you will be a master in all these things. And if you'll day by day, if you'll give me your time, 3 4 hours, okay, you will have offer letter within a month or within a 15 days after completing the course.
uh, sir, can I put 3+ experience in resume?
After
It is,
completing this, yes, you
yeah.
can. Which year pass out?
Uh,
Okay, you can contact me. 3 years, 4 years, you can put experience. If you need certificate also, for that I will support you. If you have your own, that is well and good. No problem.
okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Other question? Any other question? Okay. Any other question? Ankit, you want to ask something, or Prabhakar? Sibraj, I just spoke to you before only. Abdul, yes, Bant.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. So this is what we have for the agenda. I thought like I will start this topic today, the architecture of the data warehouse. But as like this is the first class, this is the first class. We'll close it and we'll connect from tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow, Monday to Friday, these classes will be there. 1 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes, all classes will be there. Okay, I'll just let me show you what are the topics like this we will have. Okay, so all these things, data warehouse architecture, from where we'll get the data, and staging area, what is the use of all this data, how will transform. Babaka, you were asking what is ETL, no? Like ETL extract data from this source, transform here in a staging area, and load into data warehouse. So that is meaning of ETL. Okay, so through ETL process, it will be all process will be done, data movement. Okay, so data warehouse, the common data warehouse architecture will look like this in all the project. All 99% company, they will follow same thing. If anything else will be there, you will be able to delete after the completing the course. So I will explain you tomorrow what is all these things, source from where data will be generated, how we are going to clean the data, how we are going to transform the data, and what is this data warehouse, what is the use of after staging, what is data mart, and what is this user report and all. Everything will from tomorrow I will start. Okay, guys, any question? I will keep motivating you, don't worry. Okay, until unless you will not get job, I will be behind you. Don't think that sir is asking again and again. But my target is your offer letter. Okay. Any other question, guys? Okay. So if you don't have any question, then shall I close the class, or how it is? Okay. So we'll close the class, and then tomorrow again morning we'll connect at 7:30. Okay. So let's stop. Everyone, thank you so much for attending the session. Okay.
Thank you,
Bye.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye.